In the heart of our workshop, something extraordinary was about to take shape. It was not just a drain, it was a canvas waiting to be transformed. We had a challenge ahead of us that pushed the boundaries of what's possible. A challenge to carve one of the most intricate designs on a drain cover which would turn them into pieces of art. For us, it wasn't about meeting a deadline. It was about keeping the promise we make with every product, the Lipka promise of excellence. Our artisans, masters of precision and craftsmanship, poured their hearts into each and every detail. We seamlessly merged advanced technology with skill, making each cut and each polish a dance between innovation and tradition. Your imagination is the heartbeat of our innovation. Here, we didn't just customize a drain, we brought your vision to life.